Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. Today in this video, we will discuss about the different amazing bedrooms and the stylish bedrooms in the budgets. Let's see how the dye projects and decoration tips could be accomplished in the 2024 with the new fashioned styles that transform your space. Get ready to see how creative and the planning can turn your space into a dream heavens. Hi everyone, ready to transform your bedroom into the summer amazing bedroom refresh ideas. In these videos, we have diving into the existing bedroom refresh pack with the natural summer decor ideas and the cleaning the hacks and the easy dye projects whether you are looking to very amazing decorators and redecorate or simply find the some inspirations. I have got you covered, so let's get started. First of all, the choosing a natural summer decor themes. The next, let's talk about the natural colors like white, pigeons, and the soft gray are perfect for creating a claiming summer vibe. Look for the lightweight fabric and the natural materials to keep things fresh and airy. I will show you some affordable decor pieces that will elevate your space without breaking the bank. Dye bedrooms decor projects. Now for the fun part, dye projects. We will be making some simple and the stunning decors items. From the crafting your own wall art to upcycling old furniture, these projects are not only budget friendly but also super easy to do. I will walk you through each step and you will see just how amazing your bedrooms can look with a little creativity. You can organizing your hooks to keep your bedrooms looking very amazing and you will need some clever organizations hack. Use the underbed storage hanging organizations and the drawer dividers to the maximizing your space. These tips will help you maintain a clutter-free environments, making your room feel even more relaxing. Final touch and the room tours. With everything cleans and decorates, it's time to add those final touches. The thing cozy through the blankets, soft pillows, and the few statement pieces to tie the room together. I will give you a quick room tours so you can see the complete transformations. Trust me, you will love how it all comes together. Before you make overs your bedroom, it's essential to plan and the prepares and few checklist you must be have. First, we made a checklist of everything we want to accomplish, from a painting a walls to adding the new decors. Here's what we will need for our makeover: paint brushes, rollers, painters, tape, and the drop cloths, and the various decors items. This helps us to stay on a track and ensure that everything fits perfectly with our plan in the place and the supplies ready. We are all set to start transforming these master bedrooms. Upcycling the old furniture is a fantastic way to save the money and add a unique touch to your bedrooms. And thinking for the journey.